You must have heard a lot about supply and demand and how it affects the markets or prices of anything. In simple terms, the law of supply and demand in the markets tell us the relationship between the asset price and the general market desire to buy that asset. Typically, when the supply is constant or low and the demand is high, the price of an item will keep on going up, which happens in a bull market, and the market sentiment will become positive. Similarly, when the supply is high and the demand is low, the price of the item will keep on going low, which happens in a bear market, and the market sentiment will become negative. As you can see, I have drawn the very basic supply and demand curve, which is a concept from economics, but we don't need to go too much into details. So if you are interested to learn more in details, I have provided a link in the description, you can check it out. So let's consider a couple of simple market scenarios. Let's keep the supply of an asset as constant or unchanged in a particular time duration. You can imagine your favorite crypto or stock for the time being. Now if the demand of that asset goes up, the price will go up. Similarly, if the demand goes down, the price will go down as well. So the demand and price have a direct correlation. Let's consider that the demand of your favorite crypto or stock is now constant. If the supply of that particular asset goes up, the price will drop. Just imagine if the total supply of Bitcoin becomes 2 times overnight, the price will become half in that case, which won't happen of course, but is just one example. Now if the supply goes down, the price of the asset will go high. This is because too many people will be chasing too few goods. Let us try to correlate supply and demand with the markets. In the first case, demand goes up, which means people are bullish. It happens in a bull market. Everyone will be buying and this will drive prices up. In the second case, demand goes down, which means people are bearish or they don't want to buy anything. This happens in a corrective phase or a bear market and the price will go down. Again, remember, if a lot of people buy and the demand is still there, the supply remaining in the market will go down. This will further increase the price. And if a lot of people sell and the demand is absent, the supply remaining in the market will go up. This will further push the price higher. Lot of times you have heard that the money you are using is inflationary in nature, which means the central banks are printing money to boost economy. So as the supply of money goes up, the value goes down. This again results in inflation. To protect against inflation, we buy assets that include growth stocks, gold, Bitcoin and other commodities. You might not hear any time that gold has gone up in supply. Total supply of gold on earth is fixed and will always remain fixed. Same thing with Bitcoin. For stocks, we have to consider fundamentals as well. Hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please increase the demand of our channel and increase the supply of our subscribers. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.